Welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video, I am going to show you about how to install the VirtualBox in Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So in this way, like you can see, this is the Googleware after VirtualBox. So you need to click on download links. This is actually the website of VirtualBox where you can download, and this is a VirtualBox website which I have said you. And this is a version which is 6.1.6 platform, and it's showing clearly on the website that 6.1 is a package. It support until 2020 July. Okay, so you need to download this one version, and 6.1 version has been discontinued for software installation. For the Linux builds, you need to just click on this one, Linux distributions. So you need to select the flavor like Ubuntu, and 19.10 is showing. 24 is not been released, but we'll be using this one, and 18.0.410 only. So let's begin this one, and you can select. So you can see the software default also is showing. So I'll be just save this one. So let me show you from that, like Ubuntu, from the Ubuntu software also we can install. So and once it's download completed, we'll show you. And there is a one more method is from the terminal, like I can show you. These are the steps. So you can see this is a website, and these commands you can find below to my video in the description box. Okay, so just wait. So first we need to update, then we need to type this command, and so install. This is mix. So this is not very important, unnecessary, so I will remove this one, not important. So then we need to add the key here. After anyone you can use from this one key. This is 2016, you can replace to 2020, and then you can use this one is your repository. There you can source list adding. Okay, so this any from 2 you can use anyone. Then you need to update, and then you can check the version which you want to install by typing this command. Then go ahead with this command version. To want to remove the VirtualBox, this is the command to remove the VirtualBox. Okay, so in this way, like let me check my download is completed now. So the download is completed. Let me open the file of the download here. So here is my download. If I click in open with install software, you need to click that one only. So it will be redirect to the Ubuntu Software Center. From there you can install the VirtualBox, which is the version you can see 6.1. so this is the first method that you can install through that one, and the second method is from the terminal. Okay, so let me show you through the terminal, and if you type this one lsbrcs, it will be show you the Ubuntu version. Okay, so let me start one sudo. Once the update completed, I am using this one key. The first one is not working, mean the second one you can use. So and type the key to add, and this one is. So remember, I am using the second one. Either you can first one also, and in place of focal you can use your Ubuntu version which on the screen. Just copy this command and add the focal, which on the screen you can see this one. I have added the focal here. Instead of that one, you can use the Ubuntu. If you are using 18.04, means that you need to update it. Okay, so after that again we have to update, and this one is to check the version. Okay, so let's first get update. So let me just type update here. Not has released that. So instead of that one, actually the VirtualBox has been not released, so instead of that one we can use the Ubuntu 18.04 of that one. Okay, so let me check the second command whether it's showing or not. Oh, that's why not working. So multi-units, this one which you see because has been not released in the VirtualBox, so I'm just added the new command, and that this one. After that just update it. Okay, oh, so updating also done. So we'll install the VirtualBox by this one is a command to install the VirtualBox. So let's check with this command. So you can see, just type yes. While having the VirtualBox get OS edition in this way, like this. Let's check, maybe the version is installed is the 6.1.6, the version VirtualBox, and here I have added some more commands here. It's after that extension point for installing this one is a command is there. You can install the VirtualBox decision packs, and this is the INS VirtualBox. To remove this one, just type these three commands, and the first command, this one is for using particular version. If you want to remove the 5.1 or the 6.1 version, like 6.1 version, for that purpose. So just type this one, you can remove, or else you can type this command, automatically it will be removed. No need of typing the version also, just type these two command, it will be removed. So in this way, installing the VirtualBox. Let's check. DMK package completed install, setuping the version latest one, and module C, this is generic, has been installed. So the symbolic links has been created, you can see it's a symbolic link. And jobs for VirtualBox web failed because the service did not step to required unit configuration. System service got failed, so it will be up, we no need to worry, it will be up. So services has been failed. So let's complete. After that I will check what is the issue is there. If I type VirtualBox here, it will be come up, see on the screen. If we go to help and about VirtualBox, the version is 6.1 has been latest one release installed. Okay, you can search from here also VirtualBox, and then you can add to favorite also here. So I've been added here. So in this way, like, you can install the VirtualBox, and you can check from Ubuntu Software Center also by installing this one also, the same method. So from the terminal and Ubuntu Software Center, you can install the VirtualBox. And if you want to remove the VirtualBox, means just type these two command, it will be removed completely. And if you want to install the extension, means type this command, it will be installed extension. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.